Good morning, students. A very pleasant good morning to you all. I myself, Ranjeet Kumar Singh, and today in this session, I will be discussing about the algebraic expression. The main objective of this chapter is I'll discuss the basics such as variables, constants. I will be also discussing the algebraic expression. What is an algebraic expression? I will be discussing monomials, binomials, trinomials, and I will be also discussing the multiplication of monomials by binomials. We will also know the division of monomials and binomials, and we will also know what is an algebraic identity and to derive the identity using activity. So we will be discussing these things one by one in separate videos. But before we go to the chapter, we will start the chapter. Let's have some basic term that we are going to use in this chapter. That is variable. What is a variable? It is actually a symbol which stands for different numbers at different times. Suppose x, sometimes x is equal to 3, sometimes x is equal to 5. So the value of x is not fixed. It varies, and that's what a variable means. It's a symbol which varies. That is what variable means. Now constant. What is a constant? So constant is a symbol which has exactly one number in its replacement set. For example, 2. If 2, now 2 means 2 units. 8 means 8 units. So, a constant is a symbol which has exactly one number in its replacement set. And the value of constant is fixed. It's not going to change. Now, what is an algebraic expression? It is a combination of constant and variables connected by the sign of arithmetic operators. So you can see in this example 4x plus 3y plus 9xy. Here there are 3 terms, and these 3 terms are connected by plus operator. So an algebraic expression is a combination of constant and variables connected by the sign of arithmetic operators. Now basic terms, some more basic terms. Monomials. What are monomials? Monomial is an algebraic expression which has only one term. For example, 3xy, 4p square. So these are monomials. Binomial is an algebraic expression which has 2 terms. For example, 3x plus 5 is a binomial. Trinomial is an algebraic expression which has 3 terms, 9p minus 3t plus 2m. And polynomial is an algebraic expression. Now here the polynomials, poly means many. So an expression having many terms is called polynomial. Numerical coefficient. The number used in algebraic term is called numerical coefficient. For example, 12a square plus 12a square has 12 as numerical coefficient, and literal coefficient is the letter used to represent a number. It's called literal coefficient. Now we'll know how to multiply 2 monomials. Let us consider 2 monomials, say 2ab square and minus 4a square b. Now the numerical coefficient of the 2 monomials are 2 and minus 4, and the variable parts are ab square and a square b. So to multiply, we first multiply the numerical coefficient. That is to get the numerical coefficient of the product. We then multiply the variable part of the 2 monomials using the law of exponent. Therefore, 2a square b into minus 4ab square is equal to 2 into minus 4. We have first multiplied the numerical coefficient then the a square into a, b into b square, and the result will be minus 8a cube b cube. So this is how we multiply two monomials. Now the next one is how to multiply monomials with the binomials. So to multiply a monomial with a binomial, we multiply each term of the monomial by the binomial and add the product so obtained. For example, if we want to multiply 2x square with 3x plus 2y, so multiply each term of 3x plus 2y with 2x square. So 2x square into 3x plus 2x square into 2y. The result will be, when you multiply 2x square into 3x, the result will be 6x cube. And when you multiply 2x square into 2y, the result will be 4x square y. And that is how we multiply a monomial with a binomial. Now, how to multiply two binomials? Now, to multiply two binomials, each term of the first binomial is multiplied by each term of the second binomial, and the products are then added. Suppose you want to multiply a plus b and c plus d. So multiply each term of c plus d with a and with b and then add. So a into c plus d plus b into c plus d, by distributive property, you will get a into c ac, a into d ad, b into c bc, and b into d bd, and then add it if there is a common term, and if there isn't any common term, just leave it. And that is how we multiply the two binomials. That's all in this session. We will be discussing the more terms, more things in the next session, and we will be discussing the exercise based on the things taught now in the Google Meet session. That's all. Thank you. Have a nice day.